Okay, what's up, everybody? Had some time this afternoon. Got home from work early. Wife is still gone with the kids, so I'm going to stream a little bit. I just wanted to double check my YouTube page from a incognito window to see if the live thing is actually going. Yes. Okay, sweet. Love it. Okay, so I don't have a ton of time. Everybody will be back home in about an hour, so I'm just gonna find like some kind of low-hanging fruit to work on, and I think I'm gonna do this meta tags thing. So here's what's going on. If I add in this meta component, which is located here, it uses a React Helmet, this package from the NFL actually, that updates head tags or meta tags in the head. And if I refresh the page a couple times, everything crashes. So check it out. Here's Iron Jimmy. Go on the console logs, and let's say I just click like sleeves like 3 times, 4 times. It freaks out. And it yells right about here. The above error occurred in helmet wrapper created by Meta. So I'm like, crap. Well, I was cruising the Gatsby code the other day, the Gatsby store code. I was looking at their sorts. Where is it? Components, layout, index? No. Components, layout, layout. And I'll just search it. They use helmet as well. They use it in a slightly different way. Site metadata, helmet. Oh, okay, wow, no. This is just raw. Raw. I thought I saw them using it differently. That's weird. Let's build this and see if it freaks out. What version am I using? They're using 5.2. I'm using version 5.2. And so where are they rendering their helmet? Product page template and site metadata. Where's site metadata? Right there, first thing in their layout. And so where do I put mine? Here's components, layout. Right there, first thing in my layout. Interesting. So I'm not actually sure. And it's just helmet with a bunch of stuff in it. And Gatsby is what? There's their layout. Site metadata, it's literally the first thing. And what am I? Oh yeah, I'm looking for the site metadata. Site metadata. Right here. Helmet with some stuff. Let's try to build it. Build their website. See what happens. If I can get it running. So just npm install it, I'm assuming. Yeah, they don't really say. This'll take a million years. Let me open up a new terminal. Actually, so what it was npx Gatsby, and then we'll just call it like whatever. So I'm going to create a new Gatsby site, and this is where I found the different implementation of React Helmet. See, and I'm assuming going to store.gatsby.com is still fine. Like they don't have the issue where if I kept clicking on a product or something, I guess they might not have the issue. Because they really only have like one page, no navigation at all. So they might not see it. Oh, what if I click this a million times? Yeah, no problems here. So I don't know. So if this is finished installing, oh, I guess I don't remember what the Gatsby command was. I think it's Gatsby CLI. Yeah, npx. Oh, npx Gatsby new. So this creates a new Gatsby website, and this is where I saw the different helmet usage, where they passed in things as props instead of children. And I read in a defect about the issue I was experiencing, that if you pass it in as props, React handles reloading the component properly and not doing what happened here, where yeah, maximum call size exceeded. Unless I have something weird in my helmet configuration. Like, literally no, look at that. Look, it's all about the same, right? Like, that's it. But now they are wrapping theirs in something different. This static query, which, look, takes props. I think that's the point. Like, because it's taking props, it's not rendering over and over. So I'm going to convert it. Still installing, still installing. Holy cow. I'm going to cancel this Gatsby store install and remove node modules. We know it works. It's in production. Okay, this is almost done. There appears to be trouble with your network connection on the last package. Give me a break. Oh yeah, everything's freaking out. My stream is stopping. Lovely. This is what happens when you have to download a million packages from the internet to write a website. Kill that terminal. Almost done. Done. Okay, so now my stream health should go back up. So here's whatever, and let's just open this in a window here. We'll add the folder to our workspace. So I can show you. So this is just the Gatsby default site. And they have a component called SEO, which is about the same thing, right? Which is inside of their, oh, it's not their layout component. Inside of their header component. But look, they do this a little bit differently. Helmet takes all this stuff as attributes. But it's completely undocumented. Like, I've never seen it on their website before. SEO default props, Lang. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is try to emulate this, see if it works. So helmet just becomes one giant self-closing tag. And let's see what we can get done here. So they're just props. So like HTML attributes equals something like that. Actually, I'm just going to comment all this. And let's set two things. Let's set the title and the HTML attributes. I hard-coded this anyways. And we'll rerun the site. Almost done. Okay, there it is. So let's see, we should see some head tags. So we will inspect. There's our HTML attributes, lang en. And yeah, we've got at least the title there, which is good. So let's start adding in some of this meta stuff. Oh, actually, let's see if this fixes the issue of like freaking out when you click sleeves 100 times. Or straps. No, we're good. See, okay, this is ridiculous. Completely undocumented stuff for helmet that makes this work smoothly. All right, so we got those there. Next up is the meta stuff. So it's going to be a chunk of JavaScript. It's going to be an array of objects. And so each object has a name. Oh yeah, okay, a name or a description. I got you. Name, content, property, content. So I believe something like that. So for instance, the name description will be this. keywords. Do they do a keywords here? Oh, it doesn't matter. I can just hard code this. Everything's hard coded. Doesn't matter. And now we've got our Twitter card. We can probably do all the rest of this with multiple cursors here. Dang, that's not working. I wonder why. Oh, it kind of freaked out right here. Twitter image. Nice. So there's all the Twitter stuff, content image. Okay, we got that. Good. Let's do all the Facebook stuff. So we create multiple cursors here. This is Alt-Shift-I to do that. And this will be, we need an opening here. And at the end of property, colon, there's a value. We do a comma here. After content, a colon, a comma, and closing, and comma. Pretty slick, those multiple cursors. That should be it. Oh, and a link. Oh, for the icon. Not sure. Icon didn't disappear, did it? How do they do their icon? Rel icon. Link rel icon. I don't see anything. Let's search rel equals nothing. So that's a meta. Maybe this is a link. Rel icon type and href. I hope this is just a Title template. Don't know here. Let's try to Google React helmet link prop. No, not good. Not good. I'll try the same format, see what happens. So what does the link have in it? Rel icon, type image, href icon. Actually, this is just JavaScript. I probably don't need that at this point. Okay. So this is most likely an object. You should have a comma after each one of these. Oh, and because it's an object, it's like that. I think it's like that. Rebuild the site and we'll check it out. Man, yeah, installing that npx Gatsby new command like took my stream almost offline. Okay. Do we have all of our tags? We've got a lot. So we've got our title. Where's our other link? No, that's a font. Console, what do we got? Damn it, invalid prop link of type object. You expected an array. Okay, interesting. Right, because you can have multiple links, so that makes sense. Maybe an array. Okay, that's sweet. Is it there? And I hope that's it. Let's try the incognito window. Icon's still there, good. Maybe just to be safe, kind of clear some site data. And refresh. Yeah, looks good. So just to confirm, we've got our title, Iron Jimmy, our HTML attributes, yep, and then all of our links. I only defined one, but there's more inserted through the style sheets. I defined this one. Yes, through data React Helmet, good. So meta, I've got description and keywords. Description and keywords. Then I got Twitter. Card, site, creator, title, description, and image. And then Facebook's Open Graph, URL, type, title, description, image. Perfect. Okay, does it solve our problem? Clicking, 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 clicking. No crashes. That's it. Look at that. Like 10 minutes I solved the problem. Get rid of this stuff. And so now, you know what? Okay, let's see. So if I go to different pages, yeah, nothing happened. So as a test, right? As a test, let's do something like this. What if on the sleeves page or something, I tried to change the title. And then, like right here, I just threw down like a helmet title equals blah. Yeah. Okay, simple. So this way I could really start bumping up like SEO per page. I could probably work on that later, but it's something to think about. All right, so what have we accomplished? Put the meta stuff back in. No problem. And then, yeah, converted this to JavaScript rather than HTML. That kind of sucks. I mean, it's so much easier to write in HTML. But I suppose this could all go into that Gatsby site. What is it? Browser? Site metadata. I can't remember where they defined that. So Gatsby site metadata. Gatsby config. Yeah. Yeah, like, okay, it's in Gatsby config. I don't even have anything in there. I don't, yep. I could, like, I could store it all in here, and this would be a giant, giant file. I don't think it's the best way to do it, though. We can leave it all in meta right here. Okay. So then, yeah, meta. In the meta component, I converted everything to be a prop of the helmet component, which can be overridden on any other page. So let's add that in. So I changed meta to props. Closes number 19. Let's see. Great. And so I can close the issue. Really making progress to this stuff, which is awesome. Yeah. Maybe this is mostly styling. I'm terrible at styling. I don't feel like working on styling the cart right now. Let's see. What if we instead worked on consolidating some code? Like refactoring is probably my favorite thing in the world. So right now, these pages right here, sleeves, straps, and apparel. If you couldn't tell, I'm clicking between them and like nothing is changing, are extremely similar. How does the Shopify site handle it? Here's their Iron Jimmy. I'm going to use a secret password to get in. They've been doing a lot of work on this Shopify site. Ugh. It's actually an image. Interesting. Catalog products. Really? That's everything? What? They have a shirt? No. Okay. Let's see. Barbell sleeves. What was I trying to check? Now I can't even remember. Yeah, I don't even remember what I was trying to check. Lost my train of thought. That's not good. Streaming is supposed to help me with this. All right, yeah, so all this code. Oh, I know what I was going to check. This product grid for apparel only has 2 products, so I used a 2-column grid. So I wonder if it's any different here. So like, for instance, barbell sleeves, view all, and there's like boom, 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 all the way across. But what about apparel? There's only 2. Yeah, boom, boom, like just they only take up their slots. Okay, so I don't feel so bad for making this all the same. That's another thing I struggled with is alignment when pictures were different. So what if you had like multiple things like barbell sleeves and straps? So where they're featured, yeah, see, it doesn't line up exactly. They tried to spread this out, but it doesn't quite work. Maybe I'm looking at this in the wrong way. And that's okay. So I said I was going to work on refactoring this to making it a single thing. So what's different here? Literally, I think that was different. This was different. And what about the bottom half? I think it's all the same. Title, image, source, product, Shopify, title, handle, product type. Yeah, I think it's literally all the same beyond the collection name, which I can kind of make all dynamic. Or I can just make like this into a container or into a component. Yeah, so they have more collections than just this. I'll have to ask them. I think what it comes down to is this has to be put somewhere consistent because all that code is duplicated. And that's the code that does this stuff right here. In the container. What if I take this out? This is on the sleeves page. Yes, what do I call this? What's a product grid? Oh. Style div. Maybe that's what I do. Maybe I call this like a collection. Make a new component. And in here, return this. This whole chunk just gets rendered. Is it a category or a collection? It's a collection. Yeah. That sounds about right. And each one of these pages Just going to get this passed down. So what do we need? We need product category header. Product grid. I don't know, product preview. Oh, product preview. Move over the imports, display price. And image. I don't know, maybe I do make a page per collection. Because literally these are all going to be the same except for this one thing. So even if I make a page for like the featured collection, I don't have to link to it. I can still create it, but I don't have to link to it. That's always something to think about. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm going to delete this. I don't think I want to do that. So what this means, so we can delete this collection.js file. This is actually going to be a template. Collection. And so what I need to do is just like the policies, as you loop over, it gets a page context, right? What about sleeves? Yeah, it gets a page context. And that's a collection template. So here's our templates files, and so now we have to go look at the Gatsby configuration on Gatsby config node and handle like grabbing all of our collections and creating these pages. So I've already done this for all Shopify product. Let's do the same thing for collections. Copy and paste this. And let's just see what we have. I need to build the site then. Build the site and double check our GraphQL server. Here it is. So we can query data here. And I want to look at, I'm using control space to autocomplete. So all Shopify collection. What do we've got here? Edges. There's a node on each edge. And then what does each node have? We we need all this stuff. So I don't know what its handle is. I don't know what its description is. We should check it out. Yeah, it's going to have an image, which we need the source from. It's going to have a title. Shopify ID is probably pretty important to pull. And the products. And in collections, we don't need too much. It's like, what was I doing previously on this page? I was pulling. Oh, look at this. Okay, I could just take this. And that should be the data I need. Featured, no image. Here's the products. What are these? Oh, right, because I need all the product images. All right, cool. That should work. So that means a Gatsby node, we can run this and fill it up with this all Shopify collection. And let's log the response. Let's log response.data.all Shopify collection. Right? We should have something there. This is going to require a site rebuild. So we should see something in the logs here. Yeah. Edges, node. Great. What's in each node? Each node is a what? Is a collection. So we're going to map over the nodes, and collections is going to equal that. So we'll log out the collections. And then collection for each collections for each collection. And we'll just log the collection. So all this is getting pulled into Gatsby initially from Gatsby source Shopify. It reads my Shopify site data. Now Gatsby node allows me to make internal queries on that data and create pages from it. All right, so we've got featured. We've got lifting straps, apparel, barbell sleeves. Perfect. Yeah, let's log the handle. No, I need to log the collection as well. I completely forgot. Oh, I don't need to log it. It's right here. So collection dot think we need to add the handle in there. Front page. That's weird. Let's get rid of all this product stuff temporarily. Front page, lifting, straps, apparel, barbell sleeves. How are my pages working right now? I see. Yeah. This is where I'm getting into a bad spot. I'm trying to think ahead here. So on my products, let me get the site up and running. I'll show you. My products are like this. These products get made under sleeves and then the name. But these are collections. Maybe I just keep all this stuff hard-coded. Yeah, I see why I made this decision initially, so. I just wanted to eliminate so much duplicate code. I can still do that. How can I make this work to my advantage? When we make a collection, I would just have to hard code the redirections. So if you look at the handle, and I'll add in the handle here, and not log collection, I'll just do the handle. Each collection has a handle, which I typically use for like the web URL. They'll get logged here, and I'll show you why there's a problem. Like, if you ask me, it just makes a lot of sense if you have a sleeves page called /sleeves, and it shows the sleeves collection. Of course, this collection is actually called barbell sleeves. So I had to hard code this path. Say, on sleeves, look up barbell sleeves. And then when you click on a specific sleeve, I hard code it to say sleeves, then solid barbell sleeve. So if you'll notice our handles, we've got lifting straps, not just straps. Barbell sleeves, not just sleeves, right? So that's just a slugified version of the title. So yeah, I think I'm going to get rid of all of this again. And simply at least go the route of making... Get rid of all of it. and at least go the route of consolidating the components. Ay, ay, ay. So on our pages, apparel, sleeves, and straps. Yes. What am I calling this? It is a collection. That's what it is. That's what I'm displaying. So I should still do that. Great. So we can get all this stuff. And dump it right here. And return it. Inside of a fragment. Bring in all of the... So product category header. Product grid, product preview, display price, we need all this. What else are we yelling at? Image. Anything else? Yeah, products. So we need a collection coming in. As a prop, that's what it's going to know to display. We'll print it out so we know what we're getting. And this might have to be a place where I stop because my wife is on her way home. So let's just try it out with sleeves. We'll grab this. We'll make it a collection with a collection prop set equal to data.shopify collection. We need to import collection from components collection. And who knows, this might actually work. So premium sleeves, sleeves. Oh, everything broke. Cannot read property source of undefined. Collection, image, source. I don't understand, it's right there. Is that collection dot collection? That can't be right. Yes, for some reason. I don't know why. That's okay. I will end the stream here. It's about exactly an hour. Pick it up later tonight where I finish consolidating these 3 pages, apparel, sleeves, and straps, to use a collection component. And then I might actually make this product grid an actual component rather than just like a style div that holds a bunch of stuff. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. At least we fixed one problem, and we'll pick this up later. See ya.